Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download any Reddit video onto your laptop or PC. Before getting started though, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step that you have to follow is head over into this website right here. It's called rapidsave.com. Then you're going to come back to Reddit and you're going to be finding the video that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this particular video. So I'm just going to click on this video. Now I basically want to find the URL of this particular post, so that I will be able to find right here in the top section. So I can just copy this URL. I'll go back to this particular website and I'm going to paste this URL here. Then I'm going to click on download. And now they're going to be asking me whether I want to download this video into HD format or one of the standard definition formats. So I want to download this video as HD format. I'm going to click on this button. And now as you can see, the video has started downloading. Now let's wait for this to finish. And it seems to be the case that the video has downloaded. Let me go ahead and open this. And let me try playing this video just to see if it works or not. So as you can see, the video is working without any problems. So that was a quick tutorial on how to download any Reddit video in HD format. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.